Tuesday, the 12th of May, and as you can see, I am long down here, but let me just go over a mistake that I made this morning, a big mistake, actually. I thought I was buying it right in here. Okay, now remember, yesterday, closed right here, opened up lower, came down. I thought I was buying it here, but I was selling. I sold it instead, so I made a mistake. This mistake cost me $300 right out of the gate, so I was down $300, as you can see here, right out of the gate, okay? So again, I was meaning to buy it, looking for a bounce in here, and I sold it instead. I noticed the negative sign. I was short, so I closed it. I lost $300, okay? So when the market came down, now again, the internals are not agreeing with this down, even though we gap lower and price action shows us that the bias is down, and it is. There's no doubt about it. So, but the New York, the NYSE was not agreeing with this down. The advanced decliners were advancing as the market was going lower. So my net position, I'm long here and I'm long here. And this position right now, look at the open profit of my current position. I'm up $525. So my cumulative, if I got out right now, I'd be up $225. Okay. So again, this cost me $300 right out of the gate because of this mistake. Everyone makes mistakes here and there. Okay. So it doesn't matter how many years you've been trading, you still make order errors. Again, I was looking to buy it there. Instead, I was short, and I noticed that, and I got out immediately and lost $300. So if it weren't for that mistake, I'd be up more. So I'm long right in these two levels here, looking for the market to move higher. I'm long only 6. I'm going to get out of just 3 here. Actually, I should get out of all of it, scratch this, be up a little bit, and look to get long at a lower price. And you know what? That's actually what I'm going to do because of the mistake. So I'm going to take them all off. Okay. Sell 6. Let's see if we can get a little move to the upside. Any way you cut it, I'll scratch on this unless we just move higher here in the next minute or so. I'm going to scratch this entire trade right now.
Order filled.
So here we go. So I'm down $75 for the day. So again, I started the day off here, lost $300. Again, it was an order error. I thought I was buying it, but I sold it right here. Market popped up. I would have taken something off the table that would have been at least a break-even trade. Market came down. Once it took out the lows of the day, okay, I got in here, and then I got in here right near the low of the day. Actually, I should have had a buy limit at 20.80.5, and I didn't place the order. Instead, I sat and I hemmed and hawed a little bit down in here. But one of my big support numbers today was 2080.5. It went to 2080.25. So as it was moving higher, I was trying to get it. So I kind of chased it, got it a little up off the low of the day, and ended up buying it 82.25 rather. So about almost 2 points up off that low. Now the market's moving higher, of course, right? I believe we're going to go higher. We'll break through the highs of the day, or at least test these highs, okay? And then the next level, of course, would be trying to test the close of yesterday. That'd be a big number. So it's real important down in here now, okay? If we're not able to take out the high of the day and we turn and we move down through the low of the day, then I believe we could move potentially a lot lower. But again, as the market was moving lower here, the advanced decline line was not agreeing with it, and the NYSE tick was not agreeing with this down move. Instead, it was moving higher as the market was going lower. That's why I was buying this market here and here. Okay, but a big support number that I had was 2080.5. Market so far the low is 1/4, and I should have had that limit sitting at 1/2. I didn't. I was watching. I wanted to wait for a little confirmation. So on this low, the low of today's bar, I was watching it closely, watching my internals not agree with price. I wanted to get long, but again, so I chased it a little bit and got it about 1 3/4 points up off the low, where I should have had my limit 2080. I would have done a lot better in there. But again, The lesson I think here is when you do make a mistake, okay, when you make an order error, again, I thought I was long, but then I noticed I was short, so I just exited immediately, okay? I didn't think about it, I just exited. So I started off the day down 300. So that, for most people, that would be uh, that's a very negative thing. Some people think of that, and they get, crippled and they can't do anything, right? They're not able to make a decision. So I just exited the trade, reevaluated the situation. When the market started coming down and everything was telling me it wasn't a green and the market should pop, which it did. It popped over, a good part of the day already, right? This is the high of the day. Come up. And so now I'm flat. So I'm only down $75 for the day. So we'll see if what else I'm able to do. But have a great one. If I do not put together another video, have a good one. Hope you can learn a little something from this video. Bye now. Todd Mitchell here, and congratulations on watching my entire video today. As you know, it's really helpful to be able to watch over someone's shoulder as you're learning to trade. And that's why, if you like what you see on my daily videos, which by the way doesn't even begin to scratch the surface of what you'll learn, you can watch over my shoulder as I make the same type of trades on a daily basis. This means you'll get to see exact entries, exits, trade management, and literally everything you need to know to make money on a consistent basis. Inside my 1K a day inner circle, you watch over my shoulder as I make live trades through my daily videos. This means you'll get the best types of trades to take, and you'll never wonder what to do next. And you can actually watch me in action by getting my daily trade videos and watch me trade live. If you're the type of person who likes to see things in action while you're learning, or if you're the type that likes to model experienced traders so that you can make sure that you're doing it right, then you may want to consider my 1K a day inner circle program. Since you've already taken a huge action step by subscribing to my daily videos, I've hooked you up with the special trial link below. When you click that button, you'll be able to test drive my 1K a day inner circle for 15 days for only $7. That's 15 days to watch over my shoulder as I trade live in front of you. There's no better way to learn than to watch over traders doing what you're currently learning about. If you like it, you can keep it at the regular price of only $97 a month, which is far less than one successful trade can net you. And if you don't want to keep it for whatever weird reason, you can opt out at any time. But keep everything you learn and earn during the 15-day trial. Now, you don't have to take this trial today, even though most people do. You're free to figure out all this stuff on your own. But watching over my shoulder as I do the trades right in front of you through my daily videos is something that many people pay thousands of dollars to do when they fly to meet me in person. Today, you get to do it for just $7. Just click the button below and I'll get you started right away.